Let's take a closer look at this spa seat shower stool. As you can see, it can fit perfectly in small, tight spaces. No assemblies required because it comes just as you see it. It is rust proof, and those feet on this spa stool are made from aluminum. Now the size of it is about 11 by 11, so you can sit comfortably in it. Whether you want to prop your feet up to shave your legs or you feel unsteady and you want to sit down while you're taking a shower. It is strong and durable, and you know that this seat can hold up to 265 pounds. I want to make note of those 3 holes in the seat. That's so the water can drain and it prevents any type of water accumulation. And because it's white and gray, it really can go with any type of bath decor. It ships fully assembled and it's ready to use right out of the box, and I highly recommend this spa seat shower stool.